Fish on. Got fish on. Fairly small. Probably about, yeah, it's a little mud, I think, yeah. Caught about 2. About 3 minutes, maybe. 3 minute time span. Matthew, if you get real close right here, come here. This is how you lip a catfish, everybody. For little kids out there, you're gonna grab them, put your index finger, and just push it through. He really bit it too. Got him. There it goes. I don't know, probably about half pound. He went right in, didn't he? Good catch, good catch.